Standard 4th. Subject English. Chapter A Garden of Words. Hi children, how are you? Ma'am, we are fine. What is the topic today? It's a garden of words. So shall we start? Yes, ma'am. Can you see these words on the screen? Let's read them. About, all, be, beware, big, called, caught, cave, chicken, cock, creatures, cunning, don't, duck, falling, fell, fellow, foolish, fox, friends, goose, head, herd, help, hen, here, his, inside, met, my, peace, place, right, running, safe, saying, shout, sky, started, there, them, they, told, went, when, why, with, without, word, worry. Now let's do an activity. I will give you some words. You have to find them from the table and tell rhyming words for them. All, ball, call, fall, mall. Met, get, bet, let, net. Pet, set. Cock, rock, dock, lock. Fox, box, ox. Hen, den, pen, ten, men. Sky, shy, fly, my, why, try, dry. Well done, children.